Powerlogic, established in 1998, is a professional manufacturer dedicated to providing high-quality thermal solutions. Listed in Taiwan Stock Exchange since 2017, our products have expanded into embedded computing system, healthcare, gaming entertainment, automotive, telecom, and green energy. In addition, all of our facilities comply with the international safety, quality, and environmental standards. Powerlogic have established top-class R&D center and facilities in Jianxi, Guan, China, and at headquarters in Taiwan. We strive to provide fast and efficient service with our high diversity and highly customizable product portfolio and solutions to serve our global partners in the world. Powerlogic has continuously been investing and implementing factory automation in our manufacturing operation to ensure the best quality management. By leveraging our automation technology, we have developed smarter and cost-efficient solutions. This aims to reduce the needs of repetitive works and unskilled labors and to create more high skills of work. Powerlogic utilizes automated solutions to improve production capacity and quality control on the production line, which leads to a significant boost on overproduction value of the factory and growth in average value of work labors. With the continuous development and expansion of factory automation, the consistency of high-quality products, the flexibility of highly customized demands, and the efficiency of product shipment are realized and embedded into Powerlogic's manufacturing process. Constant efforts to ensure the high-quality products are made and delivered each time have served as the pillar of our business strategies. Final quality control include PWM control, output signal, burning and noise tests. Powerlogic have incorporated quality measurements into our manufacturing process to ensure high-quality standards are met. To support our future sustainable livings, Powerlogic have been utilizing green energy in our manufacturing. For Powerlogic, the powerful technology and genuine concerns for the environment have facilitated ourselves to realize our brand promise. This is Powerlogic, beyond the limits, beyond today.